today I am going to show you how to integrate the Stripe payment gateway on your WordPress website. It's really easy to get it set up, so let's begin. The first thing we're going to do is go to plugins and then add plugin and then search for Stripe. Now we're going to want to grab specifically this one, the WooCommerce Stripe payment gateway by WooCommerce. So let's click install now on this one and then click activate. Once that's done, let's go over to WooCommerce and then go to settings. One thing I want to mention is that you need to put in an actual address, otherwise checkout will not work. So let me put in an address now. And you can select here which countries you want to sell to. I'll just leave it on all countries, which countries you want to ship to, and your default customer location, you can set that as well. Also make sure you check your currency. So now let's head over to the payments tab and you'll see a few different payment options, but we're going to focus on Stripe in this video. So let's click complete setup. Now let's talk about Stripe really quick. So you'll need to get a Stripe account. Stripe is free to use, meaning there's no monthly subscription or anything like that. They do take a small transaction fee of around 2 to 3% per transaction, but that's not too bad, and that rate is pretty standard across all payment processors. So if you don't have an account, click on Get Started to create an account. It only takes a few minutes and pretty much anybody can sign up for a Stripe account. So go ahead and enter all your information and I'll see you once you get on the Stripe dashboard. Here we are on the Stripe dashboard. Now this is actually a new Stripe account I have for a new project I'm doing. That's why it's pretty much empty now. So to get this connected, let's first switch our Stripe account into test mode. Come up here to the top left on this drop-down menu. Go to switch to sandbox and then test mode. And it says you are testing in a sandbox, no real transactions will be processed. Now to get started connecting Stripe to our WordPress website and WooCommerce, we got to make sure that we're logged into Stripe in the same browser session as our WordPress website is logged in. So make sure these are both logged in the same browser. Once you have both of these open in the same browser, just go to this button, create or connect an account. Okay, and then enter in your Stripe email address and your password. Okay, and it's going to ask you to select the account you'd like to connect to WooCommerce. So I will connect this account right here. And it says returning to WooCommerce, you'll be redirected. Okay, here we are back in WooCommerce. So the hardest part is over. Now we just need to do a few finishing touches. Okay, so first I want to enable test mode because we're going to make sure everything is working before we go live. And also, again, make sure that up here in our Stripe account, we're still in test mode. Now, if everything in the last few steps went smoothly, you should see the word enabled next to payment, payout, webhook, and sync. This means that WooCommerce is able to communicate with Stripe and vice versa. Once you check that, we can scroll down, and in payment settings, you want to make sure that enable saved payment methods is enabled. This will make it a lot easier for customers to use their saved card info, and it will just make the checkout process a lot easier from the customer's end. Down here, you'll see what the customers will see on their bank statement. This is filling in Bangkok After Dark right now because this was an old project I was working on. And so it's filling that in, but you can edit that to whatever you want. So you can make this your business name, your store name, whatever. And it's a good idea to make it something that's very recognizable because you don't want your customers to not recognize the charge they made with you and then dispute it with their credit card company. Once you're set with all of this, let's click Save Changes. All right, so let's check this out on the front end of our website. So we'll come up here and we've got this plant store. So let's buy a Flora Fantasy for $15. Okay, let's add that. Okay, Flora Fantasy has been added to your cart. So let's view cart. So here it shows the product in the cart, shows the price, and we will proceed to checkout. Okay, so I'm on the checkout screen and you can see here, it gives me this place to enter my card information. So let me put in my name and my billing info. And for the card info, when we're in test mode, we can use this card number right here. This is just a dummy card number. It's not actually going to charge anything. So I'll just paste that there. And for the expiration date, you can put any date and any security code. And then I will click place order. Okay, great. It looks like it went through. Now that we know that that works, let's go back into Stripe and turn off test mode. So I'll come back to Stripe, go to the top left and click exit sandbox. Okay, now we are in live mode in Stripe. Come back to WordPress. I'm going to go to payments And then under Stripe, I'm going to click Manage and then go to Settings. And here I'm going to uncheck Enable Test Mode because we no longer want to be in test mode. And then I'll scroll to the bottom and click Save. Okay, that was easy. Now, if for some reason this connection breaks or something is not working properly, I think the best thing to do is to come back to this settings page and hit Configure Connection and just reconnect your WooCommerce WordPress website to Stripe. And that usually solves the problem. So now let's just check this one more time now that we're live. I'm going to come back up here to the website and I go to the shop and let's take a look at this Blooming Bliss plant and I'll add this to my cart. Okay, it's been added to my cart. Let me view the cart and I can proceed to checkout and it loads all of these payment options. So it actually allows me to pay with Amazon Pay, Apple Pay, Google Pay, this link option, and then of course your credit or debit card down here. And there are a lot of other options that you can enable within the payment methods tab right here, like this ACH direct debit, Alipay, Klarna, and all of these. So you can go through all of these and decide which options you actually want to offer depending on where you are and what you're selling and what you think your customers want. But as of now, this is loading correctly. If I put in a real card number here, it will charge it and that money will go into my Stripe account right here. And the way I have my Stripe account set up is that the money will be deposited into my bank account the next day. It's a little bit intimidating at first once you get into setting up Stripe, but if you just take it one step at a time, it's not a bad setup process at all. All right, guys, that wasn't so complicated, was it? You have officially integrated Stripe checkout with your WooCommerce WordPress website and you are ready to collect payments and sell products. If you have any questions, please leave them down below. Thank you again for watching and I will see you in the next one.